Welcome to the January edition of Health Check 360, sponsored by Toma Memorial Hospital. Flu season is officially underway in our neck of Wisconsin. Even if you already got your flu shot, there are other things you can do to stay healthy this flu season. I'm joined by Toma Memorial Hospital infection preventionist and registered nurse Jan Path, who's here with tips for navigating flu season 2019. Welcome, Jan.
Thank you.
Glad to have you on today.
It's nice to be on.
So, the flu season has officially started. So what have you seen so far for people coming in? Severity, numbers?
We've actually been very lucky. The flu season is starting relatively slow this year.
Oh, that's good.
We've actually only had 2 positive cases.
Oh, wow.
Last year we had more like 9 at this time, and also some hospitalizations, whereas this year we've not had anyone in the hospital yet.
Oh, that's...
Traditionally, the flu kind of starts in the southern states and works its way up. So they've had some severe illness down that way, but it hasn't reached us yet.
Okay. Do you think maybe the cold temperatures? Well, we're just getting into cold here, I suppose.
Every season's a little bit different, and now that we do have the colder temperatures and people will start staying indoors more, we probably will see more flu.
More. Okay. So how long does the flu season typically last for us here in Wisconsin?
You can think of it as from October to April, but actually January, February, and March are usually the worst months.
Okay.
Last year we had a lot of flu into April yet.
Okay. So I got my flu shot. What else can I do to stay healthy and try to avoid the flu?
Well, it sounds kind of trite, but it's really what you generally hear. Get lots of rest, exercise, wash your hands. You can rev up your immune system just by having a good diet and exercising, and that will help you fight off the flu if you do get exposed to it. Washing your hands frequently, especially before eating when you're out in public, and training yourself not to touch your eyes or nose or mouth when you're out can really help keep you healthy.
I suppose because that's where it can enter the body and...
It's sad, but most of the time when we get sick, we infect ourselves.
I suppose that's true. And sanitizing around the home, is that, or is it more when you're out and about?
No, it can definitely help in the home, especially if someone is sick. Wiping the frequently touched surfaces like
Doorknobs.
the refrigerator door handle, TV remote, phones, those types of things can help keep you well.
Oh, okay. So then if you got the flu, what can you help at home to help speed the healing process?
I would say the 2 most important things are probably getting plenty of rest and trying to stay well hydrated. If you drink lots of fluids, it'll help flush that virus out and also make you feel better and help you heal faster. It will keep those secretions thin so that you're just feeling better.
And as far as fluids go, there are probably some certain things you want to avoid.
Right, you don't want a lot of soda, sweet things, more juices, water, tea, and believe it or not, chicken soup truly does help ease congestion.
Good for the soul.
So Grandma was right.
So at what point would you need to go to the clinic if you had the flu?
If you're feeling short of breath, that's not normal. You should always be able to catch your breath. A fever that won't go away after 4 or 5 days might be a sign that you've gotten something more serious, like it went into pneumonia, or your cough just won't go away.
So what age group should see the doctor right away if they're experiencing flu-like symptoms?
The flu is really the hardest on the elderly, those 65 and older, and the very young. So you have the 2 different spectrums there. So anyone from newborn to age 4, if they get signs of the flu, should be seen right away, and also the elderly.
Okay. Well, thank you for these great tips, Jan, and hopefully everybody stays happy and healthy this flu season.
I agree.
Yeah, thank you for coming on.
You're welcome.
So don't forget that you can find this and past editions of Health Check 360 on our Links 24 Facebook page.